Okay, class 9. So now it is a video so that you can practice the work which we have done in the class. As we didn't get the time for practice in that class, so this is the work that you have to do it. You have to practice it. It is a chapter 5 of your computer book, and it is related to website development. So the thing which we discussed today was the description list, the type of list basically, which includes the unordered list, the ordered list, and definitely the definition list, or it is also known as description list. Now I will walk through the tutorial. So now let me open my notepad plus plus. You will also open it. Alright, let us create a new file over here. The file is already created with the name new one, and let me save it, save as, and I'm saving it in my downloads folder, which is the name of 9th.html. This is basically the name where I'm saving my file. So first of all, I would like to place the boilerplate, which is the starting plate, like here, and it will end over here. That is basically the HTML tags. And the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place my head like this, and inside the head let us write anything that we want. For example, document, and after head we need to write our body. We have already studied, so I'm not going into the detail of it. The thing which we studied today is the creating the list. So first of all, I am telling you about the unordered list, which is represented by UL. You will just write UL like this, just close it, and inside it just write some items. For example, I write coffee and I close it, and in the next thing I write tea and I again close it, and the last item which I want to take it is definitely milk, and let me close it like this. So now this unordered list is complete. Now we just need to execute it. I will go to my folder which was saved in the downloads folder, and inside the download this is the 9th, and I will open it. So here, as you can see, that inside the document we can see this thing is printed. Why this thing is printed over here? Let me see what is the issue with it. So I have printed it in the head, which is not the right way. I have to write it in the title section, this document, like this. So there are small syntax mistakes that lead to errors like this. Now the document would appear over here, where you can see users. I will open my browser, and when I reload the page, you can see the document has appeared over here. Right. So this was the unordered list. Now we will talk about the ordered list. Ordered list is very similar to so-called the unordered list. These are the comments, which means that the code will not be executed. This line will not be executed. We represent the comments by this, but don't need to go into detail of these. So the next thing is the ordered list. The ordered list is like this, OL, and let us close it. And after that, let us insert the same list. And first, let me close it. Always first close it, then write. And the same thing I am writing over here, cat. And over here, I shall write dog, and one more item, which is hen. So this is our order list. I am saving the file by clicking over here and going to my Chrome, and then refresh it. Now you can see the 2 has not appeared. We have made some mistake over here like this. I have closed it first, like here. Now when I open it, you can see, and reload the page, you can see the dog is over here. This icon is because there is an extra. So these are errors. You have to do it. You have to practice it. Now it is appearing right. So when I go again, the last one which I want to discuss with you is definitely, these are again comments, this descriptive list. This is the thing which we also studied. I have explained it on the board, the theory of it, and now it's practical. Same like the other list, it is we write DL, then we end with it. This is the syntax, but inside it we will first write the heading, because it is basically the heading and explanation of the things. For example, the headings are represented by DT, and let me end it as well. The headings is Pakistan, and then the description DD. It is represented by DD, and let me end it first so that I cannot forget it. Now I will write the description of it as Pakistan is an country. Alright, this is some random fact. You can write anything which you want. So when I save it and when I go to my browser and reload it, now you can see that there is a heading Pakistan, and the next thing is written after it, which means that there is a spacing over here, this blank space. However, let us make it more clean. After Pakistan I am inserting this, and after this I am inserting a line break, which is BR, and when I again go to Chrome, you can see that now it is looking much better. So this is all. Practice it, have fun, and study along. Thank you.